Welcome to DOLA 2-Minute Mods. Today we'll cover the Dancer's Pad modification using a reverse Morton's extension. This is used for first MPJ pathology and improving mechanics, including sesamoiditis, functional hallux limitis, and more. A Dancer's Pad is a forefoot orthotic modification designed to offload or reduce the tissue stress on the first MPJ head, surrounding tissues including the sesamoid complex, or to improve mechanics. It consists of a pad with a characteristic cutout or recess that accommodates the first metatarsal head and then extends into the arch and beneath the other metatarsal heads and shafts, effectively allowing the first ray to drop through relative to the lesser metatarsals. It is also known as a sesamoid dancer's pad, first ray cutout pad, or first met offload. A dancer's pad is used for a variety of first ray and first MPJ conditions, including sesamoiditis, sesamoid stress fracture, functional hallux limitis, plantar flex first ray, first metatarsal head callus, and first metatarsophalangeal capsulitis or bursitis. For this mod, we need a DOLA Pro orthotic with the clinical markings for the first metatarsal head, a pen, a pour-on self-adhesive reverse Morton's extension pad, and your choice of hole punch, scissors, blade, or grinder. Select the self-adhesive pour-on reverse Morton's extension size needed and mark the location for the aperture using a pen. Using the cutout method of your choice, create an aperture in the pour-on reverse Morton's extension at the marked location. In this case, we used a hole punch. Remove the cutout and assess the shape compared to your clinical markings. Now peel the backing and place the self-adhesive reverse Morton's extension in place with the aperture over your clinical markings and apply pressure. It's now time to test the function and fit with your patient. Check the positioning of the cutout and function before covering. For more education and training, follow us on social media, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or join the DOLA Academy.